Thank you for joining the 2021 Benefits Open Enrollment Virtual Employee Meeting. My name is Dave Blazewitz, and I am the City of Tampa Benefits Manager. Our benefits team, along with many valued benefits partners such as United Healthcare, CAREATC, and others, have developed this presentation to provide you and your families with the information you need to elect your benefit coverage for the 2021 plan year. Open enrollment begins Monday, October 19th and ends the evening of Monday, November 16th. As in the past, you will make your enrollment selections in Oracle Employee Self-Service. Your current coverage elections will carry over for 2021 with the exception of Flexible Spending Account or FSA participation. You must enroll in FSA each year during open enrollment in order to participate. If you are changing medical plans or dental plans, adding or removing a dependent from any plan, or desiring to change your life insurance or long-term disability insurance coverage, you must make that change in Oracle Self-Service. Later, our benefit partners will provide you with key information about their respective programs. To better organize the presentation, we have broken it into 4 sections as shown here. At the end, you will be provided information on where to direct any questions. One of the advantages of this virtual presentation is that you can stop the presentation at any time to jot down notes or questions you may need to ask, then resume. We hope you find the presentation helpful. For 2021, both medical plans, the City Plan with HRA and the Simple Wellness Plan, are unchanged from the current year. Each of the plans has the same copayments, deductibles, and maximum out-of-pocket limits. Both have the same network of United Healthcare providers, and both have the same covered services. The biggest difference in the plans is how claims costs are shared with you and how any wellness incentive amounts you earn are applied. United Healthcare will provide more information in a moment. Please be aware that employee contributions from your paycheck will increase 7.5% in 2021, solely due to the rising cost of underlying medical conditions and drugs. Both medical plans offer wellness incentives to lower your claims cost in 2021. Incentives you earned this year, 2020, can only be used in 2021. For the City Plan with HRA, both you and your covered spouse or domestic partner can each earn up to $1,000 placed in an HRA account, up to $2,000 per family. The amount in your HRA is used for all covered family member expenses that apply towards your deductibles. If you participate in the Simple Wellness Plan, only the employee's completed wellness incentive activities provide a reward of up to $1,000 in 2021. However, the amount you earn is available for each and every covered family member during the year to lower their claims cost. Now you will hear from our health plan related benefit partners, United Healthcare and CAREATC Wellness Centers.
Welcome to the City of Tampa's United Healthcare benefits for calendar year 2021. Thank you for taking the time to join me today to review your 2021 benefit options through United Healthcare. United Healthcare offers City of Tampa employees and their families 2 medical plan options, both with prescriptions. There have been no changes to either of these plans from the current plan. In the next few slides, I'll review deductible, out-of-pocket, copay, and co-insurance on both plans. I'll also take a few moments to explain and go through flexible spending accounts, as well as the United Healthcare on-site resources. This slide is showing an illustration of a side-by-side comparison of the 2 medical plans offered to City of Tampa employees. The first one is a City Plan with HRA, that's the middle column, and the column to the right is the Simple Wellness Plan. On the far left, we've listed out the common benefits utilized. Calendar year deductible is the amount that you'll have to pay or meet before the insurance kicks in for major medical services. For an individual, that's $2,000. For family member, that's $4,000. That's the same on the Simple Wellness Plan. The next row down is the out-of-pocket maximum. That's $4,000 for an individual, $8,000 for family on both plans. And this is worst case scenario in a given calendar year. What will I have to pay out of my pocket before insurance is paying the rest? Just below that, on the third column, you'll see office visits. As a reminder, the Wellness Center is a $0 copay, so take advantage of those visits when possible. Below that, you'll have virtual visits that are available through MyUHC or the app for United Healthcare. And that's simply a $15 copay. PCP is primary care physician, and it's a $30 copay. And your specialists are $50 copay and a $30 copay for those specialists that are Tier 1. You can see who is a Tier 1 provider by doing a provider search on MyUHC or the United Healthcare app. For these office visits, you do not have to meet the calendar year deductible. You're simply paying a copay. Just below that, you'll see preventive care listed. Preventive care is covered on both plans in the same manner at 100%. Preventive care is your once-a-year annual physical, as well as your adult and child immunizations, and your age-appropriate test, meaning colonoscopies, mammograms, and so forth. Just below that, you'll see emergency room. On the city plan with HRA, it's a $300 copay. On the Simple Wellness Plan, you will be susceptible to the $2,000 individual deductible first, and then have a $300 copay. An alternative to the emergency room, when possible, is urgent care centers. There, you'll simply pay a $50 copay on either plan. You're also able to go to mini clinics that are located in your Walgreens and your CVS. They're equipped to take care of lesser emergencies, so more of your pink eyes or flu-like symptoms, and it's usually ran by a nurse practitioner, and that would simply be a PCP copay or $30 copay on either plan. For outpatient hospitalization, surgeries, or for inpatient hospitalization on the city plan with HRA, you will be susceptible to your individual deductible, and then you're paying 10% while the plan pays the 90% until you reach that maximum out of pocket. That's on the city plan with HRA. On the Simple Wellness Plan for outpatient surgery, if it's tied to a hospital, you will have a $250 copay after you've met that $2,000 deductible. If it's a freestanding or not associated to a hospital outpatient facility, then you will only pay a $100 copay on the Simple Wellness Plan. For inpatient hospitalization on the Simple Wellness Plan, you will be susceptible to the deductible first, and then you're paying $400 a day up to 5 days maximum. Your prescription benefits are the same for both the city plan with HRA and Simple Wellness Plan. Remember, the Wellness Center also has a list of maintenance medication that you can take advantage of at a $0 copay. You have 4 different tiers that your medications fall. Tier 1 is where your generic medications fall, and that's a $30 copay. Tier 2 is a $60 copay. Tier 3 are your brand medications, that's a $90 copay. And Tier 4 is where most of your specialty will fall, and that is a 25% cost that you'll pay, and the city will pay the additional 75%. That percentage, as well as the copays, will all apply to your maximum out-of-pocket, which, remember, for an individual is $4,000 for a calendar year. There is a mail order program that you can take advantage of through OptumRx, where you simply pay 2 times your copay for a 3-month supply. Remember that the city of Tampa does have a mandatory generic program. What that means is if there is a generic equivalent available and the member chooses to opt for the brand medication, they will then be responsible for not only the applicable copay, but the difference between the brand and the generic drug. I'd like to take a few moments here to explain the city plan with HRA and how that HRA or health reimbursement account works in favor of the employee. The city funds the health reimbursement account depending on the incentive steps that the employee completes. You can earn up to $1,000 for an individual and an additional $1,000 for the spouse. So when a claim comes into United Healthcare, we will automatically take any deductible or co-insurance first out of that health reimbursement account, so the city dollars first. Then you would be responsible for the remaining portion of your deductible. And then step 3, the city will pay 90% of the bill. You pay the 10% of the bill until you reach that maximum out-of-pocket. Flexible spending accounts. There are 2 types of flexible spending accounts, a healthcare FSA and a dependent care FSA. You choose to set aside money on a tax-free basis into these flexible spending accounts to pay for eligible medical and dependent care expenses. Both the IRS and employer can limit the amount that you contribute, and it's very important to know that there is no carryover of FSA funds. If you don't spend the funds in the plan year, you will lose them. You must also re-enroll in your flexible spending accounts every year if you'd like to have one for that plan year. The first type of flexible spending account is your healthcare FSA. For 2021, you can set aside up to $2,750 pre-tax dollars to pay for qualified medical, dental, and vision expenses. Expenses such as doctor visits, copays, prescriptions, eyeglasses, contact lenses, dental exams, cleanings, as well as over-the-counter medication. Please keep in mind that over-the-counter medications do require valid prescriptions. Your healthcare flexible spending account comes with a healthcare spending card to make paying for copays, pharmacies, medical, dental, and vision expenses easier. No reimbursement forms are needed to submit. It is a MasterCard. Most grocery stores and pharmacies will have no problem identifying the eligible expenses and allowing for a swipe. The second type of flexible spending account is a dependent care FSA. In 2021, you can set aside up to $5,000 for your dependent care needs. Those include before and after school programs for eligible children, child care, nursery, school, or preschool, adult and elder care, and travel costs to and from eligible care provided by your care provider. Remember, just like the medical flexible spending accounts, you cannot carry over any dollars. It's a use it or lose it, so make sure you plan accordingly. City of Tampa offers 3 on-site positions through United Healthcare. These are United Healthcare employees that are designated only for City of Tampa employees. They are all located on-site throughout the City of Tampa, and they can assist you with many things, such as chronic conditions. The first position is the on-site nurse liaison. This is a registered nurse who can assist you with managing chronic conditions, identifying and recommending medical condition-specific programs and resources, choosing appropriate medical care and understanding treatment options, as well as helping you navigate the UHC wellness tools and resources, and even assist you with medication management. Think of it as having your own private registered nurse at your disposal. The second on-site resource available to the City of Tampa employees is the on-site health coach. This position can help you with providing details on how to navigate your wellness tools and resources, not only through the City of Tampa, also through the wellness centers and through United Healthcare. She can assist you with understanding your modifiable health risk, also help and coach and develop and help you reach your personal healthy lifestyle goals. Share information on health screenings and wellness education, as well as identify and recommend appropriate wellness and condition-specific programs. The third on-site position available to the City of Tampa employees is our on-site service representative, and he can help you with a variety of subject matter, like understanding your health benefits, finding doctors and providers in your area. He can help you navigate the MyUHC website and other resources available to you. He can provide assistance with individual member claims and issues that you may be experiencing, as well as assist you with flexible spending account and HRA questions. Bryant Roberto is located in CMOB downtown, and his contact information is on this slide for you. I want to thank you for taking the time to review with me your 2021 open enrollment benefits. Again, for detailed benefits, please go to myuhc.com and refer to your plan documents for additional details. Thank you.
Hello, and welcome to the CAREATC portion of your open enrollment presentation. In early 2020, CAREATC rolled out virtual visits. While this originally stemmed from the need to reduce exposure to the COVID-19 virus, it quickly became apparent how popular these types of visits were with City of Tampa employees and the dependents that they cover on their health plan. Virtual visits are very easy to schedule simply by calling 1-800-993-8244 or by logging onto your CAREATC account. Virtual visits are cost-free and provide a whole new level of convenience for our patients. Health Passport. You can utilize Health Passport to check your incentives for the 2021 benefit year. It will show you completion of your PHA, allow you to complete your tobacco certification, webinars, or Wild on Walking challenges if you've not already done so. Health Passport also allows you to participate in fitness challenges and reference the Health Education Library. In 2020, CAREATC partnered with Northwind Pharmacy, making changes to the way that we process medication refills for those medications available in 90-day increments. Under CAREATC, you would contact us to let us know you needed more medication. We would process it, and then you would come to the Wellness Center to pick it up. Northwind Pharmaceutical offers mail order service, so you simply have to notify them that you need your medication, and it'll be shipped directly to your home. This eliminates the need to make that separate trip to the Wellness Center. Please be sure to monitor the amount of medication you have left to ensure that you don't run out. Northwind Pharmacy will need a few days to process your order and get it out in the mail to you. Just a few reminders. Please continue to arrive 15 minutes early for any inpatient appointments. This allows us time to check you in, do your vitals, and have you ready to see the provider at the time your appointment is scheduled to begin. No-shows. We do still have issues with people not showing up for appointments. We do understand that there are many different reasons why you may not be able to keep an appointment with CAREATC, but we do ask that you call us to cancel that appointment. It allows us to offer that time slot to someone else who may need our services. Flu vaccines. Flu vaccine is now available in both wellness centers. In addition to the wellness center, there is currently an on-site schedule for flu shots at various Tampa locations. Please see Carla Kippy with any questions. Last reminder, PHA season is going to begin again in January. Please make arrangements to do your PHA early in 2021 for the 2022 benefit year. Thanks so much.
Next up are our voluntary benefit providers: HUMANA Dental Insurance, Superior Vision Insurance, and Employee Family Protection elective benefits.
Hello. Now we will discuss the HUMANA dental benefits. There will be no plan changes for the DHMO or PPO dental plans this year. The rates will be decreasing for both plans. During open enrollment, remember you do have the option to make plan changes during this time. Remember to utilize the HUMANA website and mobile app to obtain plan information, search for a new provider, or view and print your ID cards. The DHMO plan is an in-network coverage only plan. You do need to stay in the network and be assigned to a primary care dentist at all times. The plan is based on copayments through a schedule of benefits. The schedule of benefits will show you which services are covered and the applicable copayment that the member would be responsible for. There are no referrals needed for this plan. Orthodontic coverage is available for both adults and children. The PPO dental plan offers nationwide coverage with no dental provider assignment needed. You pay coinsurance after an annual deductible for basic and major services. Orthodontic coverage is available for children through the age of 18. We do recommend that any treatment or service estimated to be over $300, a predetermination should be submitted to understand your possible cost responsibility.
Welcome to City of Tampa's open enrollment. Your vision benefits with Superior Vision include a comprehensive eye exam with dilation at no cost, a plan allowance of $150 towards frames with lenses or contact lenses after a $15 copay. Contact lens fitting for standard contacts is covered in full after a $30 copay. Medically necessary contact lenses are covered in full. Standard progressive lenses are covered in full if in-network. Tints are covered in full if in-network. Polycarbonates for dependents up to age 19 are covered in full. The benefits reset on January 1st, and frequency for these services is once per plan year. Be sure to visit superiorvision.com for locations and claims information. Superior Vision members enjoy the largest network in the Tampa Bay area, including the locations listed here. In addition, members can use their benefits online with 1-800-CONTACTS, Befitting, Contacts Direct, and Glasses.com. With Superior Vision, members can also receive discounts on LASIK vision correction surgery. Members can also enjoy a free hearing exam and discounts on hearing supplies through your hearing network. Thank you for choosing Superior Vision.
Hello, and welcome to the City of Tampa's Elective Benefits Review. Like last year, EFP benefit counselors will be scheduled throughout various departments in the city. You can find the benefit counselor schedule on the city's intranet training link. If you want to schedule a meeting with a benefit counselor, you can call EFP directly or use the online appointment link. EFP offers elective benefits including accident insurance, critical illness with cancer, universal life insurance, short-term disability, as well as a legal services plan. If you sign up for these benefits, you're able to pay for them through payroll deduction while you're employed by the City of Tampa. Some of these benefits are available on a direct bill basis, which means you can keep them if you leave the City of Tampa, so long as you continue paying the premiums. If you're interested in enrolling in any of these elective benefits, you'll need to meet with a benefit counselor to do so. Now I'd like to explain a bit on how each of these benefits work and how they can help you. Accident insurance is designed to cover some of that out-of-pocket expenses that results from all kinds of accidents. This benefit is paid directly to you in addition to any other coverage you may have. You are also covered for on and off the job. There is also a $100 health screening benefit with this plan, which gives you a $100 credit when you complete certain health screenings. Accident insurance is guaranteed issue. which means you don't have to answer any medical questions if you want to enroll. The critical illness with cancer plan pays you a lump sum benefit at the first diagnosis of a covered critical illness. Some of these covered illnesses include heart attack, stroke, and cancer. One thing to keep in mind is that these benefits can't be paid for any illness caused by a pre-existing condition that existed during the 12 months prior to your first date of coverage. And similar to the accident insurance benefit, there is also a $100 health screening benefit with the critical illness plan. Another elective benefit you're able to enroll in is universal life insurance. This new plan offers the flexibility of whole life insurance as well as a long-term care accelerated benefit. The long-term care accelerated benefit can be used if an employee needs assisted living, home health care, adult daycare, or skilled nursing home care. Now, short-term disability replaces a portion of your income if you're out of work because of a non-work related accident or illness. This is also the plan that pays maternity benefits. The plan does have a pre-existing condition clause, which means Trustmark will look back 12 months from your effective date and will not pay during the first year for any illness or injury that was treated during that previous year. The last plan I'll share with you is the legal plan and identity theft protection through Legal Club of America. This plan provides legal coverage for you and your family at a single low-cost option. The legal plan offers a large network of legal service providers, as well as free simple wills and simple tax returns. Identity theft protection helps you prevent identity theft with prevention and monitoring tools, and gives you restoration help in the event that your identity is stolen at any time. The plan also offers discounted rates on many other services. The City of Tampa's open enrollment begins Monday, October 19th, and ends Monday, November 16th. If you have any questions regarding any of the benefits we covered here today, please sign up to meet with an EFP benefit counselor at 844-231-1623, or you can schedule your appointment online at www.efpnow.com/COT. Thank you for your time this morning, and we look forward to assisting the City of Tampa employees during this open enrollment.
Finally, our financial protection benefit partners, VOYA Life, Cigna Disability, Nationwide Retirement Solutions, and Florida League of Cities.
Hello, and thank you for joining our benefits overview with VOYA Employee Benefits. Today I'm going to review the term life insurance benefit options offered by City of Tampa through VOYA Employee Benefits. This presentation is designed to educate you on the benefit options offered in this year's annual enrollment by VOYA Employee Benefits. Insurance is offered by VOYA Employee Benefits and is underwritten by RELIASTAR Life Insurance Company, a member of the VOYA family of companies. For specific pricing, provisions, and benefit options, please refer to your enrollment materials available from your employer. Term life insurance pays a benefit to your beneficiary if you pass away during the period of time you are insured under the policy. City of Tampa offers basic life insurance and accidental death and dismemberment insurance at 1 times your annual salary to a maximum of $150,000. This amount is provided at no cost to you. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance pays a benefit to you or your beneficiary, separate from the life insurance benefit, if you are severely injured or die due to a covered accident. You have the option to elect additional coverage called supplemental life insurance. During annual enrollment, you have the option to elect supplemental life insurance of $10,000 to $500,000 in increments of $10,000. For your spouse, you have the option to elect spouse supplemental life insurance of $10,000 to $500,000 in increments of $10,000. For your children, you have the option to elect children's supplemental life insurance of $5,000 or $10,000. If you elect children's supplemental life insurance, one monthly cost will cover all eligible children. Also included with your life insurance is an accelerated life benefit and waiver of premium. If you were diagnosed with a terminal illness with a limited life expectancy of less than 6 months, the accelerated life benefit allows you to receive a portion of your life insurance benefit while still living. The amount is equal to 50% of the face amount of life insurance in force, or $50,000, whichever is less. If you become unable to work due to total disability, waiver of premium will allow you to continue your life insurance without premium payment. An additional service available to all employees with life insurance includes funeral planning services through Everest. With this service, employees can receive advisor assistance with funeral pre-planning for themselves and eligible family members, as well as at-need funeral planning. Also available to all employees with life insurance is VOYA travel assistance. Employees and their dependents can receive pre-trip information, emergency services, medical assistance services, and emergency transportation services when traveling more than 100 miles from home. Please visit the VOYA Travel Assistance website or call the Customer Service Center for more information on the services provided. Thank you for your time and attention today as I shared the benefit options being offered by VOYA Employee Benefits that are available to you during this year's annual enrollment.
The next part of the enrollment presentation is from Cigna Group Insurance. Cigna Group Insurance has partnered with the City of Tampa to provide long-term disability benefits for many years. As you enroll in benefits this year, think about your family and your financial obligations. What would happen if you got sick or injured? What if you were no longer there to support your family? One of your most valuable assets may be your ability to earn a living. So if you have homeowners insurance, auto insurance, you may want to also consider having disability insurance as well. Long-term disability coverage pays a percentage of your monthly earnings up to a specified maximum. The city's plan covers 30% of your monthly earnings. You have the option to enroll in 50% or 60% income replacement. The elimination period is the amount of time that you have to wait before benefits become payable. Sick bank participation could extend the elimination period. Employees can increase one level during open enrollment each year. So if you're currently in the 50% plan, you can move up to the 60% plan. If you're currently in the 30% plan, you can move up to the 50% plan. We also offer My Secure Advantage, a financial wellness offering with all disability plans, because we recognize that money is the #1 stressor for Americans. This service offers 30 days prepaid expert money coaching for all types of financial planning and challenges, identity theft prevention, fraud resolution services, and online tools for state-specific wills and other important legal documents. If you have any questions about the Cigna offering, please refer to the City of Tampa intranet site. Thank you.
Who's ready to retire? My name is Rodney Walton with the Florida League of Cities Deferred Comp Retirement Plans. We are one of 2 deferred comp plans for the City of Tampa. Deferred compensation is saving your own money from your paycheck for retirement. The League of Cities is not a commercial company. In 2022, it will be our 100th anniversary. This retirement program was started almost 40 years ago. We have third parties that oversee the plan and the investments as part of watching out for our participants in the plans. We partner with Vanguard Investments. They have a great reputation. 18 of our retirement plan investments ranked in the highest 1/3 of all investments. When do you want to pay taxes? One of the questions you have to ask yourself when you're saving for retirement. Traditional pre-tax contributions Get you the tax savings now, and then later you pay taxes when the money comes out. Roth after-tax contribution allows you to pay taxes now, and then later in retirement, you can get all of your money tax-free. You could change your contributions at any time through Oracle, but now is the easiest time as you are changing your other benefits. Sometimes it's hard to find ways to save for retirement. So sometimes you have to get creative. Increase your contributions every year, like the experts say, doesn't always work. If you are in your 20s, maybe you can think about it this way. One less coffee a week could get you $50,000 more in retirement. If you are in your 50s, one less coffee a week will be $5,000 more and can be a lot to help you pay for increased healthcare costs in retirement, especially if you're retiring before 65. You can have money in both 457 deferred comp plans with the City of Tampa, and you can transfer money between the plans at any time. The only thing is you cannot actively make contributions from your paycheck through Oracle to both plans at the same time. Keep in mind, if you are new to the city, I would be more than happy to help you roll over or transfer your retirement plans from your past employer, tax and penalty free. Usually, this helps one more easily keep track of their investments for their retirement goals. While you're still employed, you have two ways to access your money: loans and unforeseeable emergencies. Reach out to me for details. We help you invest properly for your age and protect your money as you get closer to retirement. Set a virtual video meeting with the link on the intranet to make sure you are on pace for reaching your retirement goals. Get and keep your beneficiary up to date. I can help you know how to log into your account if you're planning to contribute or if you already are. Planning for retirement does not have to be hard as you might think. The Florida League of Cities can help.
Hello, and welcome to the nationwide section of the 2021 open enrollment year. My name is Denny Davis, and I have been the local retirement specialist in the city of Tampa for 12 years, and Nationwide has been a provider of deferred compensation in the city for over 34 years. What I'd like to take some time today to do is talk to you about deferred comp, why you're interested in it, and what it can do for you. First of all, the pension that you'll receive from the city and Social Security may not be enough to retire on and replace your income that you're currently earning or even close to it. So deferred comp is here to provide another bucket of money to pull from once you retire. There are two different ways to save money in the deferred comp plan. You can save money pre-tax, which lowers your current tax bill and has your money grow tax deferred, paying taxes on it later when you pull it out at hopefully a lower tax bracket. Or you can save after tax like a Roth IRA. You don't get a tax break up front, but then your money grows tax free when you pull it out. If you do save in the pre-tax option of the 457 plan, the unique characteristic of this plan is that the pre-tax has no 10% early withdrawal penalty. So if you pull your money out when you leave the city and you're not yet 59.5, you would not get an early penalty on that, unlike an IRA or a 401k. When you have your money in the plan, there are several options on how you can invest the money. We have everything from high-paying fixed account if you want safety. We also have a do-it-yourself option where you can go through the list of different investments and build your own portfolios. Or we have our managed account option, which we call our pro account. So if you would like us to have somebody manage the money for you, manage the investments for you, we can do that. They ask you a questionnaire and look at your age, and they'll build a portfolio based on that. You're also eligible in the city to change your contributions at any time in the Oracle system. So you can change, you can increase, you can decrease, and you can also contribute to both options at the same time. You can contribute to the pre-tax and the after-tax at the same time. Finally, I'd like to talk a little bit about the Interactive Retirement Planner, which is a tool on our website that's very comprehensive. It pulls together all your information about Social Security, pension, deferred comp, to plan for a monthly income in retirement. And what it does is it already has the pension information built into the calculator. So all you got to do is give your years of service, your current salary, and your projected years of service, and it will help you determine what all your income could look like in retirement. Thanks and have a great day.
This is Dave Blazewitz again, and I will be wrapping up the presentation for you. As in past years, the city offers extensive resources to assist you. Besides this presentation, we offer enrollment through employee self-service in Oracle, a robust open enrollment website with full details and resources, and the 2021 Benefits Guide, which provides a summary of all city benefits and is a useful resource throughout the year. In closing, this slide provides direct links to submit any questions that you might have or to reach the open enrollment website. And both links are accessible from a PC, laptop, tablet, or wireless phone. If you prefer to call, we are including the number to reach our benefits team. The City of Tampa HR Department, our benefits team, and all our benefit partners appreciate your attendance. Have a great day.